It's a snake.
Oh no, he's an eel. He's not a snake, he's an eel.
It's a fishy. Hello, fishy. Froggies and turtles. Hi, froggies and turtles. Wow.
Wow.
Hey, iguanas. You're so nasty. Yeah, but of course the problem is when somebody gets him out and you know what they're going to do, they're going to go, out of my mind.
Look at his belly, look.
Yeah, no, he's doing better.
Look at that one. Look at that one. That one's super big.
Yeah, look at this one up here. He's even bigger. He released back into Rome. She said no, every animal that comes here is here for good.
Look at the light. That's a big one.
Can I touch?
No,
No, you mustn't touch.
We only look. You see him?
They will just all of a sudden one day be nice, the next day
Aren't they lovely?
and that
Do you love
that's just
it?
kind of stress, but yeah, I don't realize right now. But yeah, I realize he's a nice.
You're gonna have to ask.
The most common phobia. Oh, fear of snakes.
It's a snake.
It is a snake.
How about we call him Snake?
Snake. You love shells, don't you? Wow, these are some. She loves them.
Really? Cool.
Yeah.
Look at that shell. It's like a mouth. Look
Yeah.
at that shell with pink.
So pretty.
Pretty. That shell, the tiny one.
It looks like a saucer. It's called a saucer scallop.
Whoa, there's a snake on the ground. What? Did you even see that? Come here. Let's look at him together. Wow. He's so cool, huh?
You see that guy?
No, he's a good guy.
He's a nice guy.
He looks nice.
He just has a bad rap like they all do, you know.
Right.
They all got a bad rap.
Does he have a name?
Monty.
His name's Monty.
That's very original, isn't it? I think that's a really original name.
Hi, Monty.
Normally open
She's not scared.
like the cornfields where a good area where they
That turtle's named TuTu.
Yeah? Is that what you named him? That's not yours. Don't touch that.
Who is it?
Somebody's.
See, TuTu. I called him TuTu.
His name's TuTu.
Yeah, he's sleeping because he's TuTu.
He's TuTu. That's what you've decided his name is?
Do you think his fingers get pruny? Like a raisin?
Yeah. But he's beautiful.
Of course he is. They're all beautiful.
He's an Asian spiny turtle.
Yeah, because his name is TuTu.
Okay.
Because they called him TuTu.
All right, if you say
Naming
so.
the turtles?
She is.
It's TuTu.
Yep.
TuTu the spiny turtle.
Yeah. Why not?
That's like awesome.
TuTu. Are you okay? You're my best friend, TuTu.
He's in the back corner over there.
Wow.
He went walking right past his vegetables.
His tail doesn't look that red though.
Oh, India, come here. Look out there. What do you see?
His name is Tuesday, and his name is Thursday.
Tuesday and Thursday? Or Tuesday and Thursday?
Tuesday and Thursday.
see that was two next to each other there.
This is a book about turtles.
It's from Aunt Toni.
Thank you, Aunt Toni.
Ooh. Look at those tortoises. Those are tortoises.
I love that tortoise.
She likes that one.
He looks like he's laughing.
I like that one. I like that one.
Look, this tells you what turtles are. Do you know what turtles are? Turtles are strange looking creatures. Yeah, he's kind of strange looking.
It's just him and him.
The shells on their backs are like roofs that they carry with them wherever they go. No other animals in the world have shells quite like these. No other animal in the world has shells like those.
It's like a roof on his back.
Yeah. And they have little babies.
Of course.
Because they get inside and watch TVs with their babies.
Oh, I see. They have TVs inside their shells.
Yeah, and so they have couches.
Oh.
And so
Well, you got to be comfy, right?
and those bathrooms.
This tells you about their shells. A turtle's shell is part of its skeleton. It cannot be removed from the turtle's body any easier than you could remove your skeleton from your body.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
What
It's
makes
like their bones.
Yeah. I think that's a bone. He looks angry.
He does look angry.
Look at him.
It takes a tortoise 5 hours to walk just 1 mile. That's a yellow-bellied slider.
Let me-
Yellow belly. It says most turtles live in fresh water. Fresh water is like water that doesn't have salt in it.
Like rivers.
And like that.
You know the ocean is salty?
Is that salty?
No, that's fresh.
Because turtles live in fresh water.
Except for sea turtles.
Is there turtles in there?
Sea turtles live in salt water.
India, like this one. The hawksbill sea turtle. We saw that at the aquarium with Winter.
As we saw her at winter.
Yeah.
And she got her tail cut. But they look after her in winter.
That's right.
Because it was her home. So she had to stay there. Because it's nice and cozy and warm.
No. They're from the trees. That's the tree roots.
I was treasure not.
The roots are how the trees drink water. The rain falls on the ground and goes into the dirt, and the tree roots slurp it up when they're thirsty. Excuse me, ma'am.
Is this making our book? This guy? We saw him.
In your book?
Yeah.
Tortoises.
Hi, turtles.
He's a tortoise, like the one we saw at the beach.
Hi, tortoise.
Oh, he's got orange on him. Like a Chicago bear.
Oh, I love that little one. He's so cute.
Oh, there's one over there by Mama.
What do you think his name is?
How about we call him Babies?
Look through here. Look under here. India. Under here. To your left.
Hi.
Do you love him?
Hi, turtles.
So much.
He's stuck. Come on, turtle. Come to me. Come to India. Don't worry. India got ya. Come on, turtle. Come to me. Turtle, come to me.
Here comes the little one, look. He heard you.
He's cool.
Pretty.
Look at that tiny one.
Come
Look at
on.
that shell.
Come on,
I
baby.
think he looks like a Theodore.
He does look like a Theodore.
How about we call him Theodore?
Okay, and he can be Ted.
So pretty. We need some little Lego figurines to put in here.
That woman
Oh,
at
she
the-
just wants me.
Remember at the sunken garden, they said red first. They had red faces and
You
red.
hear him breathing?
I think she just wants. I think she just wants moochies because moochies are when you do like this.
Put it on
Hi, turtles. The first one is for Robin and Dad. Oh, yeah.
It's taking a bath.
Yeah. Oh, look.
It's taking a bath.
Yeah.
You see it? It's taking a bath.
She just wants a bath too. I just switched the water on.
How do you switch the water on? You wait till it rains and it fills up with rainwater.
What do you think about these turtles?
Yeah.
And they're so friendly. They came over to see you.
Got the camera. Come here. What do you think about them? Are they cool or what?
Cool. She just wants to get in.
Which one is your favorite?
That one.
That one.
And so is that one, and so is the baby one.
I think you like them all equally, don't you?
Yeah.
I do too.
It's so cute, Mama.
Did you see what they eat? Vegetables.
Wow. Say bye. Say good night.
Oh, you're good.
That's the class drawing.
How cool is that? They're going to bed.
Yeah, they go in for the night. There's the raccoons, and
Right.
coyotes.
We don't want anything to eat them, do we?
Just like the pet.
Do you want to say hi? You can touch
Them
it.
right here. Yeah, about that.
Wow. That's amazing. He's waving at you. That's awesome. Thank you. Oh. All right, say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come on then. Let's go home.
Come on.
Over there.
It's a hug.
Say bye.
Bye.
You got to touch one.
And she didn't bite me.
No, she was super friendly, huh?
I like the turtle with the pool because I like him. Because,
The one that was taking a bath.
Yeah.
He was cool.
Not the one in
Oh, the one inside.
yeah.
You mean TuTu?
Yeah. I love TuTu.
Oh, I thought you did. You spent a lot of time with TuTu, didn't you?
Yeah, because he was my bestie. I wanted to take him home tomorrow because he's my friend. He would share my dinner and my pizza because he's my friend. He can share one bite to me, one bite to him, one bite to me, one bite to him.
You're too cute. I love you.
I'll share.